Now discuss about trial balance. What is the trial balance? Means according to Carter, trial balance is the list of debit and credit balances taken out from ledger. Already we discussed about ledger. Ledger is a set of accounts. So all ledger balances will be taken, debit balances as well as taken credit balances from the ledgers. It include the balances of cash and bank taken from cash book. This is the trial balance. So what is the main intention to prepare the trial balance? It tests the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts. Suppose the ledger accounts are, when we are compare the debit is equal to credit, both are equal and our accounting procedure is good. We are follow the rules and regulations of the debit credit principles, and this is the check the arithmetical accuracy of the transactions. Means we are record transactions correct way or not. We are record as per the terms and conditions. We are record as per the debit and credit principles. We are follow the and concept and conventions, and when we are follow the all the rules and regulations, principles, concepts, debit principles and credit principles, then the accounts are finally tallied, debit is equal to credit. So the trial balance will check the all accounts are prepared, and as per the rules and regulations, finally the trial balance debit total is equal to credit total, and we conclude that, and we are preparing correct manner all accounts. We are prepared as per the norms, as per the and conditions, as per the concepts, as per the conventions. So, and we are conclude, and finally, so it is just like, and the statement used for and a trial and error method means we are prepared the all accounts as per the rules and regulations. Finally, debit trial balance total is equal to credit trial balance total. If any overcast and undercast or wrong posting in ledger accounts, ultimately it affect on trial balance. Trial balance shows debit more than the credit, credit more than the debit. Means some errors are taken place in the accounts. We are identified through the accounts. This is the measurement to check the correctness of transactions by the trial balance. So this is the trial balance. How many ways are prepared and a trial balance? Total balance method or net balance method. What is the total balance method? Means, and the ledgers debit side total taken into the account, credit side total is taken into the account. The ledger debit balances and shown in debit side, and the ledger credit balances shown in the credit side, total amounts. Suppose ledger debit side total 10,000 rupees, credit side total 3,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees debit and balance shows on the debit side, and credit 3,000 shows credit side. The same account, it is called total balance method. Net balance method means we are preparing the ledger accounts. What is the balance carried on in ledger? The balance carried on must be considered. The balance carried on must be taken into the and final balance in the trial balance. It is called and net balance method. Just like suppose total balance method means this side 10,000 rupees, this side 3,000 rupees. So in trial balance 10,000 is debit side, they are taken, same as well as credit side, they are taken as 3,000 rupees. This is total balance method. This is the one method. Next, second method, net balance method. Here debit 10,000 rupees, credit is 3,000. First total them 10,000 rupees, the same 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 rupees, 3,000, so what is the net balance as 7,000 rupees. 7,000 is debit balance, means debit is more than the credit. So this amount must be recorded on the debit side. This amount 7,000 amount will be recorded on the debit side in trial balance. It is called net balance method. So the 7,000 rupees, why they are shown on the debit side means debit amount is more than the credit amount, and 7,000 rupees debit balance, it will be shown on the debit side of the trial balance. This is the net balance method. This is the pro forma or format of the trial balance. Serial number, particulars, LF number, debit balance, credit balance. Debit is equal to credit. Then we follow the all rules and regulations and the methods and principles. Finally conclude, our accounting procedure is good, our accounting procedure is correct. Then we conclude that when the trial balance debit balance is equal to credit balance. So the most of the and items in trial balance on the debit side or credit side, the following the transactions must be effect on the debit side trial balance and credit side in trial balance. So opening balance, opening stock always debit, purchase always debit, sales returns always debit, drawings debit, all assets, any assets, either current assets or and fixed assets, whatever it may be, these are debit. All expenses, salaries, rent, commission, whatever it may be, all expenses, any expenses, it must be on the debit side of the trial balance. All losses, goods destroyed by the loss, discount allowed, and whatever it may be, these are the losses. The losses must be recorded on the debit side. Depreciation always debit side, bad debts always debit side. All manufacturing or factory expenses, these are also debit side. Prepaid expenses debit side. Income to be received or accrued incomes, whatever it may be given in the trial balance, it is also debit side. Next, sales credit side, purchase returns credit side, capital credit side, all liabilities credit side, all incomes credit side, all provisions are reserved for bad debts, whatever it may be, all provisions, all reserves are under part of the credit side. Next, appreciation of assets, appreciation is and profit, so it must be credit side. These are the all and items are and repeatedly in trial balance appearing in the trial balance. So this is about trial balance and pro forma. So remember one thing, this format must be known each and every students. So easy to prepare trial balance. Okay, and the trial balance must be and having these items only, this and aspects only, always these are repeated, either ascending order, descending order, whatever it may be. Sometimes some aspects are not given, some aspects are given. So the most of the aspects are appear in trial balance. These are the aspects, most of the aspects are appear in the trial balance. This is and about trial balance.